Hello, I'm Zoe. In this episode of Drive Go Go I will present the new Hyundai Nexo. Hyundai with the Nexo is launching their second generation of fuel cell electric vehicles. In the shape of the current car industry hottest segment, the SUVs. Nexo is showing what tomorrow's cars will be like. The powertrain is using hydrogen to generate electricity. Nexo is a zero-emission vehicle. The layout was reviewed to improve efficiency. Nexo has a range of 756 kilometers, which is best in class, and like an internal combustion engine allows to do long-distance travels. To refill the 156.6 liters tanks it takes around 5 minutes. The powertrain output a 163 HP and 395 Nm of torque. The gearbox is using the shift-by-wire, which changes gear by pressing a button. Nexo onboard technology is not limited to its powertrain. Starting with the exterior. For the first time Hyundai uses flush door handles. Those are coming out when needed, then go back to reduce drag. The tailgate opening and closing is fully electric. Hyundai improved the blind spot monitoring by displaying in the central cluster, the left or right rear of the car with cameras. Nexo is autonomously capable to park and retrieve itself, without having the driver inside the car. The driver will have more technology at his fingertip, with the 12.3-inch central display compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The central console is equipped with wireless charging. The exterior design is fully functional to improve aerodynamic. In the front, triangular headlamps are used to give a futuristic look. The interior is partially made of biomaterials. The center console is raised to bring closer to the driver the commands of the car. Those are the main characteristics. Visit our website to learn more. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to not miss the next one. Thank you for watching. See you soon on Drive Go Go.